Hello guys, welcome to my Advent channel. Today I'm going to show in this video how to fix Facebook back button not working in your Android. So before going to start the video, if you're not subscribed my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, if your Facebook button is not working, then I will show you a simple method to fix this issue. First of all, you need to open the settings. Scroll down a little bit, click on the apps, click on see all apps. Just tap on this search icon, then type Facebook. Just tap on the Facebook. Once tap on the force stop, tap on OK, tap on storage and cache. Once tap on clear cache and tap on clear data. Before tapping clear data, you have to make sure that you know your Facebook login details. Before tapping delete, just read this carefully. This app's data, including files and settings, will be permanently deleted from this device. After reading this carefully, you can tap on delete. Then go back and tap on uninstall your Facebook. Just tap on OK and your Facebook app will be uninstalled. After doing this, once you have to restart your mobile. After completion of the restart, just tap on the Play Store and install Facebook again. After installing the Facebook, check whether your problem is fixed or not. Still it's not fixed, then try the second method. You need to download the navigation bar. For that, you just need to open the Play Store, then download the navigation bar. Yes, you can see first option navigation bar for the Android. Just tap on install. After completion of this download, just tap on open. You need to allow the permissions. Just tap on the agree. Go to the settings. Last you can see downloaded apps. Just tap on this. You can see your navigation bar. Just tap on this and you have to enable this option. Just tap on allow. Again tap on the display settings. Find the navigation bar. Just tap on this navigation bar and enable this one. You can see the navigation bar has been enabled. Guys, if you don't want to download this navigation bar, there is another one option. You have to download the Facebook of older version. First you need to remove your current Facebook app. Just uninstall this and go to your Chrome browser, then search for Facebook older version. Just select the first option, older version of Facebook. Scroll down a little bit. You can see as per the month and year you will find all the Facebook versions. You can select anyone which is older and download that one. Download and install it. That's it guys. So in this way you can fix Facebook back button not working in your Android. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.